Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, welcome to the stream, everybody. I am doing another game dev stream. Today, I'm gonna try creating the inventory system, I think. I think that's my game plan. Hello, Garrett and Nutty Buddy. Welcome to the stream, guys. How you guys doing? I'm hoping you guys are having a good day. Okay, before I start, I'm gonna do some basic optimization. Nothing too complicated, just something basic. Um, I'm gonna adjust the despawn rate. I'm gonna set this to 200. Let me also check the processes here. Okay, I did some, like, researching. I am slime in bathroom. Are you in the bathroom? What are you... Oh, hello, Slime in Bathroom. I'm SlimeInSpace. Nice to meet you, Slime in Bathroom. I'm still mentally breaking my laptop. I don't know if you should be breaking your laptop, man, but alright. Okay, let's see here. What am I doing? I did some research and some testing. I didn't change any code, but I did some testing. I'm pretty sure the frame drops I was getting last time was because of my creatures. So, still, it is not broken yet. You should not break your laptop. My laptop is already kind of broken. Like I already said this last time, but the batteries on my laptop is fucking dead. So, yeah. As soon as I left the last stream, you started calling the doors a deer instantly. Listen, I gotta keep the deer counter low, but then once you leave, you can't count anymore. So I can just call it a deer or whatever, you know? Alright, okay, I'm gonna try setting up the inventory system. This is apparently supposed to be like the hard part, because I have no fucking clue how to set up an inventory system. And, yeah, I've never done an inventory system before, so I might be a little fucked. Let me run the game first. Let me run the game and see my progress. Because I know last time there was, like, a lot of, I had some optimization issues, you know? I had some optimization issues, so... Yeah, let's hope my game runs well. Actually, before I do this, let me actually turn on my performance filer. I discovered this neat little thing here called Performance Filer that shows you the performance of things here. And then I can check the frame rate here. This is the frame rate. Alright, I can use this to, like, try to debug my game. Yeah, I'm getting frame drops. What the fuck? Where am I getting these frame drops from? What is causing this frame drop, bruh? Let me check my process. Okay, let me stop the game. Let me turn on, what is causing the frame drops? What was my FPS? Let me check my FPS. My FPS was at, like, what? 100. It didn't drop below 60, okay. I like your big, long, hard sword. Thank you. I appreciate it. I modeled it very nicely, you know. I modeled it very nicely. I'm gonna choose to ignore your innuendo there. The game has crashed 20 times. My computer has crashed 0 times. God damn it. Listen, I'm trying to make my game not crash, okay? Let me, run the performance filer. Let me see if my, I'm gonna just try to figure out, what's it called? I'm gonna figure out what is causing the optimization bug. So I turned down, I think it's the deers, because last time I checked, I think it's the deers. I'm not sure. Okay, my game seems to run well right now. I'm not going to pay too much attention to optimization yet. I'm just going to try to implement new features. I'm sick and tired of bug fixing. I do not want to fucking bug fix again, okay? I'm just gonna keep it as is for now. I'm going to keep this as is for now, okay? They're called Dorsis. Whatever. They're whatever. I'm their creator. I can call them whatever I want, okay? If I want to call them a Dorse, if I want to call them a donkey, if I want to call them a butthead, I'll call them whatever the fuck they are. Also, welcome to the stream, Remna. I hope you're having a good day. I hope you're having a better day than me. Don't add new fix. You know what? Good point. If I don't want a bug fix, let's just not make a game. Like, making a game is full of bugs. Let's just not make a game. If I don't make a game, there won't be any bugs. So I just, like, gotta stop making games, you know? I gotta stop making games. Just, like, I don't know. Just fucking do whatever, you know? Just stop making games. Making games is just, like, a recipe for disaster. Okay, let me, open this. I'm chilling right now. Hello, chilling right now. I'm Slime. Hello, I am filled with excitement. Hello, filled with excitement. I'm Slime. Nice to meet you. You guys have some very interesting names, by the way. Right fist. Left fist. Okay, I'm gonna try adding an inventory to system today. Today, I'm gonna add an inventory. Oh my god, what the hell? I'm gonna add an inventory system today. I do not know how I'm going to do that, though, because, Slime, I will remove your spinal cord. My name is Remnite. I don't know, man. Earlier, you said that your name is Chillin' right now, you know? You said your name was Bing Chilling, so I just called you by your name, man. Don't know why you're getting so, like, feisty. So rude, bro. So rude. But, yeah, I'm gonna create inventory. I'm gonna stop yapping. I yap too much. God damn, why do I yap so much? I fucking yap all day. Jesus Christ. I gotta stop yapping, you know? If I yap too much, you guys gotta tell me. Inventory. Inventory. Okay. Let me add the inventory script. This is gonna be the inventory. I'm probably gonna store the inventory in a dictionary, I think. I think I'm gonna store it with a dictionary. Tomorrow, I will finally get my wisdom tooth removed and not have any more pain in my jaw. I'm, as in my current form, not my name, chilling right now, relaxing with some snacks. Yes, that does sound very chill, though. Reminiscent was mad that Slide? My name is Slide now? I slid his name. Slide has changed Reminiscent's name. Yes. All right. How do I create an inventory? Let's try to figure this out. How do I want to create? The first question is, do I want to create? Do I want to create a grid-based inventory, or do I want to draw online? Draw online. Do I want to create a grid-based inventory or like a list-based inventory? Do I want to do a grid-based? Or just a list, like this is grid based here. This is a grid, oh fuck, Jesus Christ. Or do I want to do a list? I can do a list, like in Skyrim. Skyrim inventory. I'm not sure which one I should do. Image. Should I do this? Should I do something like this? Oh my god. Should I do something like this? I'm not sure if I should do something like this. You already know why I'm here. You want me to search up milk again? Milking? Make a round inventory. Bro, I do not know how to fucking do that, man. I'm still deciding. I don't know if I want to do a list or a grid. Like, the thing is, I want my inventory to, like, I guess I'll do a grid for now. I guess I'll try doing a grid. How do I want, should I do mine with a dictionary? I think I might do mine with a dictionary, maybe. Hello, Blue Alien. Welcome to the stream, man. How you doing? Hope you're having a good day. I think I'm gonna follow this tutorial for now, okay? God fucking, I swear to God, YouTube has so many goddamn ads. Listen, I'm not even gonna look at the ad, just to spite them. I'm not gonna look at the ads. Okay. Var, row size, and column size. Inventory. Alright, I need to do item slot. Wait. Item slot? Brother, I have it on my normal browser. I don't have it on Bing, though. I'm using, oh wait, not Bing. This is Edge or whatever. This is remember when you guys asked me to edge on stream, like edging? I'm edging right now because I'm using Edge. Just wondering, but is it okay if you showed everyone the image? Sure, I guess. It's the image of V, right? You want me to show the image of V to everyone? I mean, like, if you want me to do that, sure. I don't know why, though, but, do you really want me to? Why are you using... Listen, I use Firefox as my, I'm using Firefox to stream. So I use Edge for my other thing, or whatever. Yeah, that's just why. Okay, normally I use Firefox. Okay, I'm not normally an Edge user. Okay, I don't Edge that much. Okay. Uh, Let me do this. Okay? By the way, uh, Blue Alien wants me to post an image of the thing that he showed me last time. I don't know why he wants me to show this on stream, but yeah, he showed me this. I don't know why. Blue Alien wanted me to show this on stream. That's a picture of a thick robot. Do not fist the robot, guys. Do not fist the robot. Anyways, also, hello, Battle Tommy. Am I back or am I not back? I do not know. Are you back? Hello, back. I'm Slime. Nice to meet you. Anyways, let's create an inventory system. Come on, create an inventory system. I gotta create an inventory system. I would use my sword on her. I'm fine with that, yes. Hello, fine with that, Yasil. I'm Slime. Nice to meet you. Var, row, var, column. Is column have 1 or 2 L's? I don't know. Let's do column, rows. How many rows? Column. Let's do 5 rows. Let me do 10. 5 by 10. What the hell are you spamming in my chat, Garrett? What is this chat GPT ass answering? This chat GPT ass messages. This is very ironic with the whole milking stream bit, but stop being horny. Well, okay. Who said that milking had to be horny, okay? Milking is inherently not a horny thing. People make it horny, but it's not inherently horny, okay? Nobody, like, looks at a cow being milked and be like, oh, I'm getting a boner, I'm gonna jerk off. It's not an inherently, horny sexual thing. It's just milking, okay? It's just milking. Babies drink milk. Don't sexualize babies, okay? Babies drink milk. Like, bro, what? It's not normally a sexual thing. So, you know, yeah, it's not sexual. Absolutely normal. Educational. Milking is very educational, okay? Very, very educational. You'd be surprised how cursed people are. Listen, I know that it can be cursed. I know it can be sexual. But, like, normally, it's not that sexual. Only in the context of porn is it sexual. But normally, it's not that sexual, okay?
Of x instance dot slot num, which is this variable that we created earlier. So this would be a new num dot.
Let me just By the way, is it normal for me to hate it's perfectly normal. I hate children too, man. I despise children. If I saw children in real life, I would kick it. I would grab its face and throw it into space. I am researching how long it takes to peer pressure someone into doing something he doesn't understand. Also, I have AdBlock installed on my normal browser. I don't have it on my other browsers though. Dictionary. I don't use this browser normally. Any child below the age of 7 pains me. Any child in general pains me. I just want to kick them all.
And we don't need to have multiple items stored in one slot because it will all be the same item. So we'll 0 preload into our many items. So variable item count. We'll set this to be.
Okay, I'm gonna create what is this? Item 0. Slot.
Heading back over to our
okay, item slot. Let me create an item slot then, I guess. New scene. Item slot. Okay, item slot. Wait. Wait. How does he do this? Let me...
Inventory script now. You need to go ahead and spawn in all of these item slots. First off, we need to go ahead and preload in our item slot. So go ahead and control drag over this variable instant of our slots. So instant 2 times 50 variable that we created earlier. So this to be a new vector to I. Passing in our x and y values. This to our items. So items, instance. Sorry. Before we move on, I'm going to put these inventory up to item slot. Items. So set one of which is next.
Guys, tomorrow is the day that I get crushed by gravity. what are you guys saying right now? Like the motherly in what? What about autism is a slur? I don't I look away from chat for like a couple of seconds. I go back and I look at chat and I have no idea what's going on.
Or block string.
Uh,
We also need a maximum stack amount, such as 64. So we need a art and all. For these, I highly recommend having everything be the same resolution. So folder called item scenes. Let's create a new scene for when we want.
Honestly have no idea how I want to do my inventory. I have no fucking clue how I want to do my inventory. Gravity is the name of a drag queen in our area. She will sit on Tommy's face. Interesting. I actually do have autism. I see. How? I don't know much about autism. I hear about it a lot. I hear people like say like, "Oh, this character has autism" or whatever, but I actually don't know that much about autism. What even is autism or whatever? Is it like when you have like what is autism? Like I know it's like a something. You know what? I don't know. Does anyone know how to crash a 2022 Blue Gateway computer running on Windows 11? I have failed everything. Just take a hammer and smash it if you want to break your computer so much, man. Alright, I actually have no fucking clue how I want to do this inventory. Like, I have no fucking clue. Okay, let me figure. I want to put 3D models in a 2D plane. How do I do that? How do I put like a 3D model? I want to try putting a 3D model. How do I put like a 3D model always on top? I want to try doing that. It's a disorder depending on the spectrum. For example, I suck at socializing, but I am more that sounds like okay, I don't know, but that just sounds like a normal thing. Like, is that really a disorder?
No.
That sounds like an overstatement. Is it really a disorder to just not be social? Like, listen, I don't know, but that just sounds like a personality trait than it is like. Is autism a personality trait? I don't know. Is a disorder? I don't know, man. But like that doesn't seem like a disorder. Being like, there's definitely disorders that can affect it. Yeah, I listen. I don't know anything about autism, so I'm not the expert here. Godot make mesh appear in front. I want to make it like how to make model appear in front. I want to make my inventory slot, but I want it to appear in front. Render first. I have no fucking clue what I'm doing, man. I genuinely have no fucking clue what I'm doing. Should I just create a list? I could just make a list. That's what some people say. Autism can affect your skills. Like, I am pretty good at art. Is it really a disorder? Like, I don't know. From the way you're describing it, it doesn't sound like it. What is a disorder? Wait. Am I getting my definition of disorder wrong? What is a disorder? What is a disorder? What is a disorder? What? It's a symptom that disrupts normal body functions in the body. I don't know, man. I don't know. But make it a list, I guess. I just don't know how to create my inventory, man. Gun clipping. So I did some research last time.
Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create.
So what I want to do is I want to create my inventory, but I want instead, because I don't want to draw all the inventory icons. What I want to do is make my 3D models in front of the player. So I want to always render on top, so I can use that as the icon of the what's it called? Of the thing, the thingamajiggy.
Canvas node, and then also a sub viewport. In the sub viewport canvas layer node, and then also go to layout of the canvas layer.
Sub viewport, okay. Sub viewport, I can do that. Sub viewport, viewport, sub viewport, sub viewport container. Okay. Okay, let me see how this works.
You may need to fix any references you have to it in your player script. Now, on that camera, disable Color Mask Layer 2. We'll create a new camera in the sub viewport, and we will disable it on layer 2. Let's go ahead and drag that over to there. We will need to create a script, and this will simply
Okay.
reference out the position. Will be at an off.
Okay. Slime, when will you do a street? I do not know that many countries, man. There's a reason why I'm not a geographist or whatever. I am awful with geography, okay? I cannot do geography at all. I am abysmal when it comes to geography, okay? Like, I am atrocious, like, straight up atrocious. I cannot do, I cannot do whatever it's called, I cannot do geography, okay? I cannot do that. Time to learn. People with autism react to things more stressfully and more strongly. Unlike most people, it's kind of... The thing is, the way you're describing, it just sounds like personality traits. Like, I know people who, like, just stress over things, and they're just... Listen, I don't know, I don't want to sound rude or something, but, like, the way you're describing, it just sounds like people who are anxious or whatever. I have a fun little thing called straight up losing the ability to speak under. I don't lose the ability to speak, but what happens to me when I'm really stressed is I get nauseous, like really, really nauseous, to the point where I feel like throwing up. So that kind of sucks for me, you know. Let me put a sword in here. Let me put a sword. Let me render this sword in here. Where's the sword? That's a big ass fucking sword. 0.05. This should render the sword in front, right? Let me move this sword. This might actually just be a bad idea. I think I might just go with the list, I think, because this seems like an awful idea. This seems like an awful idea, man. This seems like an awful idea. Okay, let me do that. Let me go to the player camera, and then disable this. Where's my inventory? Inventory. Let's see how this looks. When I'm stressed, my throat dries out faster than any woman in a radius of 300 meters when they see me. I mean, I'm the opposite. When I get nervous, my mouth just like wets up, and I feel like listen. There was a point in time where I actually couldn't stream because I got I don't know why. I've been streaming for 2 to 3 years now. I've been streaming for a while. I've done over 200 streams. Yeah, for some reason, a couple months ago, I felt like really nauseous for some reason, like really, really nauseous. And for some reason, what was I gonna say? For some reason, every time I was about to start the stream, I was about to throw up, man. And then I just, I couldn't stream. I had to wait until I was better, I go into a mental stasis when I get too stressed. Brain just kind of goes numb. Yeah, we gotta learn to I don't know, man. I don't know. Yeah, just try to get over it. I don't know. Something about, I don't know what the fuck Garrett is saying. I'm not reading all that, man.
Set, and after we here we'll be referencing our camera. And in the process, we will be setting the transform to match the camera's transform. And now, if we press play.
What the hell? How did this guy do it? How the hell did this guy do it? You know what? This is way too much work, man. I'm probably gonna just
drag that over to the camera. And since our camera node is no longer directly attached to our player, we will need to create a script, and this will simply reference our player camera and process. What? So it is
how the hell?
Wall. However, if you drag your camera into the top of the canvas layer, you may need to fix any references you have to it.
Okay, is it the canvas layer then? Do I need to put this on a canvas layer? I have no fucking clue what I'm doing, man. When I get too stressed, I wish I could hide away from other people, put a blanket over me, and curl into a little ball. When I'm stressed, I just play video games, man. I like video games. You know, video games are really nice. So when I'm stressed, I just play video games. And what the hell is going on right now? Why does this not fucking work? I swear to God, every time I try to do something, it just never works. Like, fucking hell, man. Every time I try something, it just doesn't work. Honestly can't even tell what I'm doing. Let me process, thread, yada yada. Call mask 2, maybe? Hehehehe, sword? Yes, it is a sword. I modeled the sword myself. This is the point in game development where my progress goes downhill.
In your player script. Now, on that camera, disable call mask layer of viewport and layer 2. We'll create a new camera in the sub viewport.
Okay.
And we will disable everything on layer 2. Is no longer directly attached to our player. We will need to create we'll be setting the transform because is over it. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
I have no clue how the fuck do I have to change this to a canvas layer? Huh? My sword isn't showing up for some reason. Let me turn on the camera view. There should be a way to turn on camera view, right? How do I turn on the camera view? How do I turn on the camera view? There should be a camera view, right? How do I turn this onto camera view? I forgot. Change perspectives. Preview. Oh, okay, that's what I wanted to do. Switch. Where is the sword? Why is the sword fucking invisible? Where the fuck is the sword? Hello? Sword? Where the fuck is the sword? It's not showing up. Oh. 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 What the fuck? Ball is the Sorry, I'm not reading chat that much, by the way. I've been kind of getting distracted by trying to figure this out. I actually try not to be stressed, but when I am, I have the worst stomach aches ever. Yeah, being stressed kind of sucks. Being stressed sucks. I will say that. Being stressed really sucks sometimes. It actually sucks a lot of the times, I'll say. It sucks a lot of the times. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. Open anyways. Layers 2. Let me put that on layer 2. Wait, what's this called? Where's my sword? Put this on layer 2. I need to put this on layer 2. Re-import. There we go. Now, finally, it fucking showed up. Now it's on screen. Okay. Okay, it's on screen now, guys. It's on screen now. It is on screen now. It looks very ugly, but it is on screen now. What the hell did I just do? What? Huh? Why is it so small? What? I pressed something and then it shrank. Huh? Why did it shrink? Why did it shrink? Oh, wait, I'm so confused. This might be too difficult for me because, I have no I guess? What am I doing? I'm so fucking confused. Sword works properly? I'm so confused, man. I do not... Okay, you know what? I think I'm just gonna... You know what? I think I'm just gonna go with 2D. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna screenshot them. Instead of trying to create, like, fancy fucking pantsy, like, 3D models, I think I'm literally just gonna screenshot them. I'm gonna screenshot the sword. How do I create, like, a green background? Green. I'm just gonna search up green. This is green. Okay, I'm gonna download just green here. Save image as. I'm just gonna take a screenshot and make it transparent. Listen, game development is difficult, alright? Game development is difficult. It is fucking difficult. Why does this look so bad? Oh, okay, you know what? How do I move this? Why can I not move this? What the hell? Can I move you properly? Hello? Okay, there we go. I'm gonna move this back. Yeah, I'm gonna... Why does this look so bad? I swear to God. Why does this look so atrocious? This legitimately looks so atrocious. Why is it so pixelated? I feel like I'm having a stroke, man. I feel like I'm having a stroke. This fucking sucks. This actually fucking sucks. You may not be able to move this sword, but your plight is able to move our hearts. I don't care about moving your hearts. I want to be able to fucking create an inventory system properly, man. This is painful. This is fucking painful, I tell you. Fucking painful as shit. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do it in here. First, okay, the lines aren't too pixelated, I don't think. Okay, they are pixelated. You know what? I just don't even care at this point. I don't even care. Okay, you know what? I'm doing a list. I'm doing an inventory list. Fuck this. I'm doing an inventory list. I'm doing an inventory list, okay? Var inventory array. Fuck it. I'm doing an array. Fuck this shit. I tried to do a grid and I think a grid works better if you have a 2D game. And if you want to draw out every single like individual like I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna create a fucking list, I think. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna draw base. You know, I'm gonna draw some. I made zero progress, man. I've made zero progress. Pixel art. I'm gonna make some basic pixel art. I'm gonna be. Hey, this site sucks, dick. Piscal or whatever this site is called. Whatever. I'll use this. I'm gonna draw some basic like. This is a sword. This is gonna be the icons, you know. This is gonna be the icons for my list. You know what? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna work on the list first. I swear to God, I'm making zero progress today. Me when stressed has bad stomach ache, and slime makes me talk to a woman, and I'm stressed AF before talking to her. See, if I had an advice to give you, it's that don't pressure yourself to do it. Like I suggest you go talk to her, but like you don't have to do it. Like take your time, do it when you're comfortable. Like you're not in a rush to talk to her, right? So just like don't feel like you're pressured to talk to her now. You can always do it another time when you're feeling better. Once you realize you can do it whenever you want to, it becomes a lot less stressful. Like that's what I did when it came to streaming. When I became very stressed with streaming for some I don't know why. Don't ask me why I was stressed with streaming. I told myself, okay, if I'm not feeling good, I'll just not stream then. And then eventually I felt better, you know. But yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna create a fucking list, I think. I think I'm just gonna create a fucking list. Color rect. I'm just gonna create a fucking list because this shit is fucking annoying and I have zero talent. I'm just gonna do this layout. I'm gonna set this to center. And then I'm gonna transform this. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. I'm gonna do 1,000. No, that's not what I meant to do. 150 maybe? What the hell? No. Let me do this. Let me set this to center. Why the hell is this like this? Hello? I don't know why my cube or whatever. Fuck. I don't know. I'm in a rush. I have 3 months of time and will probably never see her after this time if I don't do it now. Well, 3 months is a lot. You gotta realize it's a lot of time, you know. 3 months is a lot of time. You got lots of time, man. 3 months? That's quite a bit of time. Also, while you're there, you should probably confess as well, you know. Tell her you like her or whatever. Let me do this to 1,000 maybe? Let me do like 900. 900. 950. I'm gonna try to even out the edges. 950. There we go. Slime was my motivationist. I am actually, bro. If I do not know why I'm your motivation. If anybody were to watch me struggling with my coding, they would probably give up coding because of how fucking atrocious I am with this. Like, I am not good at coding. Look, I have been doing so badly. How the hell am I anybody's motivation? Let me make this like grayish, I guess. I'm gonna make my inventory slightly transparent, I think. Slightly transparent. Not too transparent, but just slightly transparent. Um they see the struggle and go, yeah, I can't get any worse than this. Slime, just do what feels is easier. Helps me out when I code. Yeah, I should probably just go the easy route. The thing is, I want to learn, but yeah, I should probably just do what's easy. I got the feeling, even though that guy can do it, how can I, Batman, not be able to create a 3D game? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Why is life so difficult? Um, okay. This is gonna be the background. This is just gonna be the background. To the right, I'm gonna create like 3 slots for, inventory. Shit. Okay, I also want to I want to create like a filter for the inventory as well because there's gonna be like different types of items. God, I'm really making this complicated on myself. What the hell? Fuck. Okay, you know, I'm gonna create a new scene called item. Item. New scene called item. Where's my item scene? I'm gonna create the item script. Attach script. Everything's gonna be an item. At export. Var item name string. Var item type. Type is also gonna be string. Var item, what's it called? Item item quantity. Yes, that's what I was gonna do. Quantity. That's the amount of items I have. Int. I maybe should go offline in a few minutes. It's night where you're at? I'm pretty sure it's night where you're at. So you should probably go to bed, you know, because you were talking about how you were sleep deprived last time. I got the feeling even that will you guys go see the Minecraft movie? Maybe? I don't know for sure. The Minecraft movie trailer doesn't look good. I will say it doesn't look good. It looks like straight ass, in my opinion. I might go see it, though. I might go see it. I'm gonna scream. Hello, gonna scream. I'm Slime. Nice to meet you, gonna scream. A. Yes, that's a lot of A's, you know. That's a lot of A's. B. C. D. Can we all just say the alphabet, you know? A, B, C. You know, I actually don't know that. Very embarrassingly, like a while ago, I was trying to like do the alphabet like in order, and for some reason, I couldn't like name the alphabet in order. Is it weird that I can't say the alphabet without singing it? The only reason why I know the alphabet is because of the song, like A B C D E. I legitimately cannot tell you the order of the ABCs without singing it in my head. Legitimately, I don't know the ABCs properly without like the order of the alphabet without singing it in my head. Like it's fucking stupid. Like I literally every time I want to like type up like get the order of the alphabet, I have to like straight up sing it in my head. A B. Yeah. I don't know. Like I guess I never focused on memorizing the order. I guess you know. The item. What should I store the item as? Should I do this as a color rect? Huh. Color rect. Fuck. I don't know how to want to do this though. How do I create like a list? List. Item list. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Item list. How do I set this up? Item list. Okay, let me put this, add child list, item list. There we go. Okay, item list. Item list. How do I add items to the item list? How do I use item list? Godot item list. Item list. How do I use item list? It provides a vertical list of selectable items that can be single or multiple columns. How do I use this though? Godot item list. Item list. How do I use this? This is some like yee ass video. There's no audio here. Items, icon, image texture. Oh, you can add an image texture as well. Okay, this seems handy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do an item list. Slime, just curious, but if you were a sentient blob, would you absorb me? You want me to fucking vor you? What? You want to be vored? Is that what you want? You want to be vored? Huh. Huh. I see. Sure, I guess. I guess if you want to be vored. I guess. Slime, that's not the what. During the First World War, soldiers improvised gas masks by using wet towels or other fabrics with chemicals on them, which were supposed to neutralize the poison. That's very interesting. The thing is, I don't like history, so I genuinely do not care, you know. I'm not a history guy. Like, when my teachers were teaching me history when I was in school, I was, like, fucking snoring. I don't like history that much. I don't like history, man. How do I use this? This item list seems good though. This item list seems very good. So I'm gonna use this item list, I think. How do I add an item to the item list? Never mind, that was a stupid question. It's not a stupid question. It's just a interesting question, you know? It's an interesting question. It's an interesting question to say the least, you know? Func add item item list dot add item string item name quantity Slime, don't vor him. You should just do tentacle porn as have some self-respect. You guys are weird. You guys are fucking weird. You guys know that, right? You guys are weird. Really, really weird. I'm concerned about you guys. I'm concerned about you guys. I'm very, very concerned, you know. Okay, how do I... Okay. That adds the item name. Should I even... Huh. Fuck. How do I... Selectable? Get item. Add item. That only adds the string. I don't know how to use this properly. Like, in the context of how I want to use it. Okay. Inventory system.
Our skin has been cleared for...
God fucking damn these ads. I'm concerned about the economy. Nutty Buddy is dumb F. Anyways, have a good evening. I have to stay in school tomorrow for 11 hours. Yeah, you should probably get some rest, man. You should probably get some rest. Have a good day, bro. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna do this. Get an add-on to export table to JSON. I don't want to do that. What the hell is this thing doing right now? I just find it weird that I eat my enemies. What the hell is my chat saying right now? Hello, Brownie. Welcome to the stream. My people in my chat are being weird. You can feel free to ignore them. I have no idea how to create a fucking inventory, man. I have no idea how I want to create this fucking inventory. I'm so fucking confused. I'm dumb. My brain is not working, I swear to God. To be fair, I've been streaming for 44 minutes and made like zero progress. I legitimately made zero progress. How do I... Can I store like an item? Can I store like a node in here? Because as far as I'm aware, this is only... I like chicken wings too. Chicken wings are good. Chicken wings are very, very good. Selectable items that may be single or multiple columns. With each item, selectable items may be deselected, yada yada. How do I... man. Select mode. Add item. Give item at position. Move item. Metadata. There's a lot. Theme principle. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna watch. God, like... I don't know. I don't know how to use it properly. With sauce or without sauce? I like chicken wings with sauce. You know, I like dip it into like ketchup or something. I don't know. Blue Alien says something about getting covered in gunpowder. I don't know what the context of that is, okay? My brain is not braining right now. I'm just trying to create an inventory system, and for some reason it ain't working. Well, because I actually haven't done anything yet. I've just been, like, roadblocked. Because I don't know how to set this up properly. Decide? How do I make this bigger? For some reason, the text is really goddamn small. I like it with some nice barbecue sauce is good, you know. Barbecue sauce is good. There's a lot of good sauce out there. I genuinely have no idea how to create an inventory system, man. Why is this so painful? Why is the text so small as well? Why is it like every time I try to do something, it just doesn't work, man? It's just really annoying at this point because I have no fucking clue what I'm doing. Should I create a list? What other nodes are there? What other nodes are there out there? Container, box, grid. I don't... What should I do for... I genuinely have no idea how to... Okay, I think I'm gonna try an H-box container. I don't know. I'm trying everything right now. I have no fucking clue. Also, hello, Pawn X Pawn. Welcome to the stream, man. You are joining the worst game developer in existence right now. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a good day. Pawn X Pawn is everywhere, lol. I don't know, but you're welcome to the stream. You're joining the worst game developer stream in existence. So I hope you aren't. I hope you don't mind watching someone bumble around like a fool. Yeah, I'm just confused. So I'm just gonna try to do this. I think I'm gonna create my own inventory system. I'm not gonna use like a pre-built thing here. My brain is actually blanking. I swear to God, my brain is... Every time I try to do something, my brain just blanks out. Holy fucking shit. Huh? What was I doing again? Like, I literally forgot what I was doing. Is... Yeah, I actually have no... Okay, you know... Fuck! I have no fucking clue what I'm doing. Item list. You know, item list? What? Should I... How do I create inventory? Please tell me. I don't know. God. Columns, add element. Okay, I can change the font size. I can do that. I know how to change font size at least. Hmm. Um. Everything I try to do, I'm blanking out, man. I'm blanking out. Let's indoctrinate the new guys into the cult. Brownies should. I mean, I eat brownies, so it wouldn't be very good if the rulers of the world were to be eaten. Okay, like I know they say eat the rich, but like, I like eating brownies. Do boneless chicken wings actually exist? I always search for them in supermarkets. But if you want boneless chicken wings, just take out the fucking bones. Do you want boneless chicken wings? It's called taking them out. Well, I gotta go. Have a good day. Have a good day, Blue Alien. Have a good day. I appreciate you being here. Um, what the fuck am I doing? What the fuck am I doing? Holy shit. I actually can. Even. I'm hyperventilating, man. I don't know what
To
the fuck.
actually slow. It's gonna create a new script.
I swear to God, I'm getting dumber the more days that goes by. Say if Monday should be. I think weekends should be 6 days and only one work day. I think there should only be one work day, and all the other days should just be weekends. I think everything should just be a weekend. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna create an array of item nodes. Items. I'm gonna create an array of items. How do I create an array of object types? Shit. Item. I want to create an array of items here. I want to create an array of items. Item. Var item. How do I create an array of things? I know I did it once. I don't remember how I did it though. Let me do world gen. Var. How do I create an array of items? I don't remember. I just set this to an array. This is my counter argument against the conspiracy that cats rule the world. If they really ruled the world, why would the Chinese... Well, to be fair, what if they just enjoy being eaten? Do you know how humans have, like, vor fetishes out there? What if there's just cats that enjoy it, Array class name. I'm trying to create an array of items. So right now I have an item, like item node, item scene. So I don't think you can do an array class name. Well, can I? My class name is just item. I don't know. My brain is blanking out. Like I said, I'm the worst worst whatever. Add item. And then I'm just gonna add item here. Inventory. I should just start doing something, man. No, I can just try doing trial and error, I think. Add. How do I use an array again? I forgot. How do I use an array? Fuck. Godot array. I legitimately don't remember. What tutorial? It depends on what kind of game you want to make. Also, if you want to watch a tutorial on how to make game, do not watch me. I am the worst person you could watch if you want to know how to make a game. I'm awful at How do I add? Is it append? I think it's append, right? It's append. I think it's append. Lol, 88. Listen, this has nothing to do with ADHD. This is just me being awful at game development and coding in general. I've been streaming for an hour now. I've been trying to spend this entire hour trying to create an inventory system. I have not been able to do it in an hour. I gotta go. See you. Have a good day, Brownie. Thank you for joining. If you do make a game, good luck with that. Okay. I'm gonna start simple. I gotta treat myself like a toddler. I gotta start simple. This is... Okay, I know how to create an inventory. I just don't know how to display it. How should I display it? I get the idea. I know how to do it. I just don't know how to, display it. I don't know how to visualize the inventory. I know how to create, the database of the inventory system. I create an array, insert the scenes of items, we're good. Yada yada, bada bing, bada boom. We're done. Thing is, I don't know how to fucking create it. System.out. That's not... Listen, I know how to use Java. Okay, I've used Java before. I know that, but I don't know how to fucking display the fucking thing, the thing. Should I do a list? Should I do a list of labels or a list of buttons? Okay, you know what? I'm going with item list. I'm going with item list. How does item list work? I don't know how to use item list properly. Things I don't know how to use item list. If I knew how to use item list, that would be so much easier. Godot item list. How do I use an item list? I know you can add items that are selectable, but I don't know what they do. Get item at position. This return. What does this return? Do you stream naked or are you clothed behind your avatar? I have clothing. Yes, I do have clothing. Yeah, I have clothing on me. If that's what you're asking, I don't know why you want to know if I'm clothed or not, but all right. Is anything selected? Is selected. Move item. Okay, shit. I want to make it so when I select an item, I want to be able to select it. Like, what happens when I select the item? I don't know. Okay, item list, item list, item list, item list dot add item. We're gonna add a string. Item dot string name, is it? String dot item name. Item name. Okay, there we go. Dot item name. I think I'm just gonna do trial and error at this, but I gotta be doing something. I can't just like sit here and just like let my brain just decompose. My brain is decomposing in my head. Let me just do this. Okay, I guess I can test this out. I'm gonna test this out. So func ready. I'm gonna test this out. Add item. Let me add item. No, let me just put null for now. Let me create var item. Var item dot instantiate. How do I instantiate something again? Right? Instantiate. Is that how you instantiate? Var test item equals item.instantiate. Okay, there we go. God damn. I'm struggling on the most basic fucking things. Like, I don't know. I don't even know at this point. I don't even know. Item name equals test item. Test item. There we go. And then I can put test item in here so I can test this out. Someday I would like to imagine a world where my brain actually functions properly. I'd like to imagine a world where my brain actually functions properly and isn't just like dying. Hey, let's run the game. You guys haven't seen the game, right? You're new to my stream, so you guys haven't seen my game. But my game, it's very scuffed. We got an item, yay! We got an item, woohoo! It doesn't actually do anything right now, but we got an inventory, I guess. Woohoo! Now just we got the first part done. We now just need to make it work. We need to make the thing work now. We just need to make it work. That's the difficult part. I also need to make what? Okay, tab. I'm gonna add. I think I'm gonna create an ability button where you can open up add new item. You guys can't see this because of the window thing, but I'm opening. God damn, I cannot speak. Listen, I'm kind of tired today, so I blame this on exhaustion. I blame my fumble brainness on my exhaustion, okay? I'm not normally this stupid, okay? I'm not normally this stupid. Like, I am a pretty stupid guy, but normally I have 3 more brain cells that I have on reserve, you know? Usually I have like 5 brain cells. Today I only have 2 brain cells because my other 3 are resting still. It's resting from the long day I had. So, I apologize for my lower than usual IQ. At least you aren't as basic as the tasks you are struggling with. As a slime, are you not made from one giant? No, I actually have very. Look at this. Look at this. I'm made up of many cells. You know, there are many. I am very compressed down. There are many forms of me. Many of me right now. Many. See this? See this? There's so many of us. So many of us. So many of us. The thing is, we're all compressed into one singular ball. But inside of me, there are many balls inside of me. Like, I'm stuffed with balls, okay? There are so many balls stuffed inside of me. It feels very crowded in here. Yeah. Let me create a system where when I press tab, the inventory will go visible and invisible. So how do I check for inventory? So how does the brains... Basically, one of my brain cells just goes on vacation. You see this? This is my working brain cell. It just goes off. It goes on vacation. See this? It's on vacation now. It goes on vacation. Let me rotate this thing real quick. Okay, rotate. Rotate. How do I rotate this? Rotate. Oh, now it's sleeping. See this? It's sleeping. It's sleeping right now. Zzz, it's sleeping. See? That's what's happened. That's what's happened. Some of my brain cells are on vacation, and they're not coming back anytime soon, so... yeah. How do I check for, player input again? If event, if input is just pressed... Okay, let me just copy and paste this in, because I love copying code, you know, I love copying code. Who actually makes original code nowadays, you know, am I right? Everyone's just copying code, you know? Everyone's copying code. That's me, that's literally just me. If input is, wait, let me, god damn, where is my, if input dot just pressed UI I'm doing a tab. This is tab. Tab will make the inventory visible. Tab. There we go. Tab. I'm gonna do pass for now. If visible equals true, visible equals false. Equals false. What the hell can I not press? Okay, I don't know what happened just there. Visible equals like I said, my brain's kind of dead today, but thankfully, I still have enough brain power to at least do an if-else statement. I was kind of concerned that I would be like so brain dead right now. I wouldn't be able to do an if-else statement, but thankfully I can at least do an if-else statement. At the very least, I can do an if-else statement. At the very least, I can do an if-else statement. So, thank God, man. Thank God I can do an if-else statement. It would be really embarrassing if I was like, how do I do an if-else statement again? I don't remember. That would be really embarrassing. Okay. Okay. How do I, make it so I can actually move my mouse during my thing is open? How do I control the mouse Okay, mouse capture mode. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to not capture the mouse when the inventory is open. So this is going to be this. Input.mouse mode. Confined. What's confined? I don't know what confined mode is. Let me see what that does. Okay. Okay. Okay, that seems to work. That seems to work, you know. That seems to work. Okay, that works. That works at least. That works. You guys can't see that. Fuck. I'm an idiot. How do I make it wait? How do I check what mode the input mouse is? Um, hmm. hmm. If input.mouse mode equals okay, where is my head? How do I control the head again? I forgot. God damn it. Where do I control the head? How do I control the head? Something here controls the head. And I need to make it so it won't control the head once I'm in the inventory. Because right now, the head gets controlled even when the inventory is open. So I don't want to do that. I gotta do dot equals or whatever. Okay, this should work. I swear, this inventory system has been so annoying. Oh my god. And now it won't move at all. Now it won't move at all. Let me do input.capture mode. I put the wrong mode in. Okay. That would explain why I wouldn't move. Honestly, now that chat has died out, I'm suddenly making progress now. I feel like I'm making progress now that chat has died. Okay, I actually have, like, legitimate proof that every time chat goes away, I start making progress. I am not dead. Hello, not dead. Like, I don't know what happens, but every time you guys leave, I actually start making progress. Like, I genuinely start making progress. Like, you guys should leave more often, you know? You guys should leave. Like, go away. Bye. I don't want you guys here. Like, shoo. I hate my viewers, you know? I hate my fucking viewers. Fuck you guys, you know? You guys suck. You know, you guys should leave. Leave, you know? Once you guys leave, I actually start making progress, you know? Yeah, I made a clip. You made a clip? Okay, let me see your clip you made. Let me see your clip. What clip did you make? I don't feel like I made any clips, like clip-worthy things. I haven't said anything weird this stream, right? I haven't said anything clip-worthy, so I don't know why you made a clip of. Let me check my clips. My brain and the math exam. It's sleeping. It's sleeping right now. It's sleeping. Oh yeah, that's what's happened. That's what's happened. Some of my brain cells are on vacation and they're not coming back anytime soon. So no, this may be my last day on this earth. And if this was your last day on this earth, you should not be watching me. I'm just saying, if this is your last day on earth, you should probably be spending it with your family or something. And why did Garrett clip me? Garrett made a clip called "Penis Size Exposed." What the fuck is this clip? Someone made a clip called "Penis Size Exposed." And this is the play. Why is it so small? Why the fuck is it so small? It's like my penis. Oh, okay. It's that clip. It's that clip. Zesty slime. What the fuck are these clips, man? Oh my god, would you look at that murder? Oh my god. Oh yeah. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna continue. I gotta get this okay. I got it decently to work now. It seems pretty decently working. Okay. Okay, how do I wanna do this? How do I wanna do this? Do I want to create? I'm gonna start simple. I'm gonna keep it simple for now. I'm gonna keep it simple. I can always complicate it later on. Those clips are quite good for our Novio. What the hell is that word? I don't know what word that is. I don't know why you're treating me like some fancy pantsy who knows what that fucking word is, but alright. Okay. Item select. Level. Did that get auto corrected from Noviel to level, or level to Noviel, whatever word that is? I don't know what word that is, honestly. There's a small chance that my dentist will kill me tomorrow. I highly doubt that's going to happen, man. I don't know about you, but I kind of doubt that's going to happen. No, level is synonym. I don't know what word that Novia is, but okay. But it's a synonym of level. Okay, good to know. I learned a new word today. Godot. How to use item list properly. I don't know how to use item list, man. How do I use item list properly? I just need a good tutorial on item list. This tutorial kind of isn't very good. Okay. It may be just a German word, but I'm not sure. To be fair, I'm just not very good at English, so there's a lot of words I don't know. Novia. Or Novia. It's a French word? Yeah, it's probably not a word that I know. I don't know. It seems like a word that I don't know. Okay. Remove function. I don't know how to create a loop. How do I create an item database? How the fuck do you do this? How do you do this, by the way? How do you make like a fancy ass like item list database thing? I don't know how they did that, but it seems very professional. That actually seems professional. This seems like a professional thing to do here. I don't know how they did that, but that seems very professional. Array? No, like they made the thing and they made like the item database in an Excel folder or like in an Excel thing, and then they exported it as like information here, and that's really professional. And like they can somehow use this JSON folder to use it to like read it in the Godot thing, and fancy pantsy shit, I tell you, fancy pantsy shit. I don't know who this guy is, but they seem like a very good game developer. Slime, are you a Canadian? I live in space. I live in space, man. I live in space, okay? I'm a space Martian man. God fucking damn it, these ads. I'm just gonna skip this ad. Wait, why am I watching this? Wait, what? I don't know why I watch it. My brain just blanked. The ad leaked it. God damn. God damn. Fuck. Anyways, I'm just gonna pretend that didn't happen. Canonically wise, I live in space, okay? Canonically wise, I live in space. I just want to know how you use the item. How do you use the fucking item? What I want to know is how to use the item, not like how to like add the thing or whatever. I want to know how to use the item. I want to know how to use the item. I don't know how to use the item. How do I use the item? How do I use the item? How the fuck do I use the item? Okay, I got the item list working, but how do I actually use the item? How do I use the item? I don't know how to use the item. So I can select it, but what does selecting it do? What does selecting an item even do? It doesn't do anything. Let's see here, I guess. Let's see. What happens when you select an item in an item list? What does it do? Methods. Deselect, get selected item. Get item at position. That is an integer. It returns an int. Get item metadata. What the fuck is that? What does get item metadata? Returns the metadata of a specific index. I am so confused. How do you get this? Get selected items. Get selected items. I know it selects an item, but how do I I don't know, man. I don't know how to do this. I have the item in the item list now. I have that. But how do I like use an item? Like how do I like when I select it? Like do I get like an integer value? Do I get like a string value? But like what do I get? I don't know. What do I get? What do I get? Do I get baguette? Do I get a baguette? Do I get a baguette? You know, I get a baguette. Um Mouse mode captured. Okay, I got the inventory. This is just annoying because I got the inventory working. I just don't know how to use it. Um, I'm probably gonna just add like buttons down here. Wait, let me add buttons. Use drop buttons. Button. Okay, let me delete this. Use button. 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 What changed when you equipped this sword before? Did some I didn't like I haven't I have nothing changes. I literally just create the animation. Like I haven't created like equiption yet. I haven't created anything to equip yet. I haven't created anything to equip yet, so it doesn't actually do anything. Like, it doesn't do anything. I gotta actually figure out how to get this to work, which I don't know how to do, which is a problem, you know. Okay, button. Let me just do bottom left, maybe? Bottom left. Okay. How do I create 3 buttons in a row? Uh, list column? God, I am such an amateur at this, bro. I'm such an amateur. I wish I was better at this. God fucking damn. Okay, box container. Let's do horizontal box container here. Then you set this bottom right. And then what if I put the button inside of the horizontal? Oh god. Oh my god, that is atrocious. What the fuck just happened? What the fuck happened there? What is happening? What is happening? What is happening here? Huh? You aren't just any old amateur, you are a real layman. Listen, I'm trying my best. I just have no fucking clue what is going on half the time, okay? I'm the one making the game, and I have no idea what's going on. I bet, like, someone could randomly join my stream, and they know more about the game than me. Which is embarrassing, you know? Okay. I don't know why this H-box container is being really weird. Why did it fucking just, like, make this, like, tiny button thing? Why is the button so small? Button. Stop it. Why is the button like this? Why did you make the button like this? How do I change that? I'm the only one that watches the one making the game, and I have even less. I am the one making the game, and I still have no idea what's going on, man. I still have no idea what's going on. Why is it like scrunched up here? Why? Seriously, I have no clue. What the fuck? Alignment center. Begin. Clip content. What am I? Left to right, right to left, left to right. Transform. I have an idea what's going on, but I won't tell you. Listen, I highly doubt you know what's going on, if even I don't know what's going on, man. Why is the button so fucking... Oh my god, why? How do I make the button bigger? How do I make this button bigger? I need to make it bigger. Transform. Where's my transform? Let me make this like 80, 800. I can't even change. Oh my god. Yasil is rage bait. No, I'm a master at bait. Yeah, Yasil's a master baiter. He's a master baiter. He's really good at baiting people. Seriously, what the fuck? I thought that creating an HBox container would help me, but no, this just makes things more complicated. Because fucking now nothing works. I feel like I'm going mentally insane. Like, every time I try to like do more game development, I go mentally insane more and more. I go more and more mentally insane. I feel like. You know, I'm just gonna do some math. I think. Okay, how big is my background? My background is 1800. What's 1800 divided by 2 is 900. 900 divided by 3 is 300. Okay, each button should be 300 long. I did some mental math there. You guys proud of me? I did some math in my head. You guys should be very, very proud of me. I did some mental math. Please be proud of me. No one's ever been proud of me before. Why did I do divide by 3 though? Why did I divide by 3? Oh my god, this would be so much easier if I just if I knew how to fucking create menu buttons. What is this menu buttons option? Items, add element. Hello, test. What did that even do? What did that even do? Menu button. What does menu button do? I don't know. Okay, I need a... I am proud of you. Thank you. Hello, proud of you. I'm Slime. Nice to meet you, proud of you. Okay, I want to get this HBox container working. How the fuck do you use this HBox container? How the fuck do I use an HBox container? Hello, Brownie. Welcome back to the stream, man. Guess who's back? Let me guess. It's Brownie, isn't it? It's Brownie. Brownie's back. Welcome back to the stream, man. Hope you're having a good day. I am still struggling here. I am still having a mental breakdown. Okay, you know what? I'm going to create a button. This button's going to be called use. I'm going to create a button called drop. Wait, let me, this is the use button, where you can use buttons and shit. Michael Jackson? What about Michael Jackson? What about him? What about him? You know, what about him? And this is the use. This is gonna be like 60 font, I think. Oh my god, that's way too big. That is way too big. Way too big. Like, Jesus bejeebers. The he. Oh. Yes. I can't imitate Michael Jackson because I'm way too tired to attempt it, but if I wasn't this tired, I might actually attempt it, you know? Let me put this in the set. Wait, no, that's not what I wanted to do. Localization. No. I want to put this at the bottom. Let me snap this to the bottom. How do I... Why is it not snapping to the bottom? Snap! Fucking snap, please! Oh my god. Ugh. Oh my god, I hate my life. I fucking hate my life, man. Where do I change the anchor? How do I change the anchor of something? Where do I change the anchor point? Anchor, layout, anchors. Let's do bottom left here. Bottom left. Let me do center. There we go, I guess. I guess I'll do that. I guess I can do that. Use, where's transform? Position. What is 600 plus, that's 1450, right? Fuck, that's not what I want to do. 200? No, 900? There we go. Use, I'm gonna create a drop and equipped. Use, equip, And this is gonna be equip. Equip. Let me increase this by 300. And drop. This is gonna be drop. Are you still trying to do Yes, I'm trying to do inventory. This is for my inventory. I still have no fucking clue, man. I'm not good at this. I know how to. I get the idea of how to make it. Like, I get the idea. I know the idea of how to make it. I just don't know how to actually do it. You know? I would send him a nuke. I would rather you not send me a nuke, you know? Personally, I'd rather, like, personally, I could be wrong, but personally, I'd rather you not send me a nuke, personally, personally, I'd rather you not send me a nuke. Okay, so this is like my basic makeshift inventory, I guess. Doesn't do anything yet, so we'll figure it out though. We'll figure it out. We'll button pressed, on button pressed. I'm gonna connect these buttons, pressed. There has to be a better way of doing this. Maybe, okay, if I ever do more game dev, I'm probably gonna do a 2D game next because 3D is very complicated. Brownie owns all missing and non-accounted for nuclear weapons. Is Brownie like some kind of like global like powerhead or like warhead? Like, I don't know what they're called, but like a global like powerhouse or something? Like, why does he own so many nukes? Why does he own so many nuclear weapons? Is this man like? Is he like some? I don't know. I'm too like tired today to come up with something clever to say, so I'm just not gonna say anything. Uh, he's the head of the Illuminati. What? 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 Okay, how do I want to do this? Should I even have a drop off? I should, right? Like if you want to get rid of it. Okay, okay, how do I want to do this? How do I know what button is selected? Item list. How do I get the selected item? Get selected item. Get selected items. Is that the only packed in? What's a packed in 32 integer? What the fuck is that? I'm gonna get packed items. Yeah, I'm gonna get packed items. Get packed items. Item list. Get packed items. Yes, I am, and I started the Squid Game. Are you talking about the Netflix show? Did you start the Netflix show, or are you talking about you kidnap people and now you're getting them murdered? Is that what you're talking about? Secret Illuminati business. I gotta go. Have a good day, Brownie. Have a good day. Thank you for joining. I hope you aren't. I hope your secret Illuminati business doesn't involve murdering people. I don't know, but have a good day, man. Have a good day. There are so many mechanics I need to add. I just realized I need to add like a raycast for my player so that I can like start collect I could start picking up items. If I need to create like a raycast. I need to create a raycast on my thing as well. Add child node raycast. I need to create a 3D raycast. Where is the raycast? It's right there. Okay, let me change the rotation to like 90 degrees, is it? This should be 90 degrees. It should be where the head is at. I gotta make it longer. Collides with areas. Okay. Okay, thickness. This thing is very thick. It is a very thick raycast. How do I make it longer? I need to make it longer. There we go. I think that's long enough, right? That's long enough. That's a bit too long, actually. How do I make it longer without oh, okay. I can make it longer without using the scale. I can just do this. What happens if I do this? Oh. 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 -10. Okay. What are you working on now? I'm working on an inventory. It's going awfully, I tell you, Minnie. It's going awfully. Welcome to the stream, man. How you doing? Hope you're having a good day. It's going awfully right now. I always wonder how to make my pull. All you have to do is grab it really hard in your hand and then just yank. Just grab it. Just take your hand, grab it, grip it nice and firm in your hand. All right, you got to be nice and firm. Step 1, nice and firm, and then you just yank as hard as you can. Just pull and stretch it. Eventually, it'll get really long. Yeah. Trust me, it worked. I've worked on it before. Inventory looking, it looks ass. It looks so goddamn ass. It looks so straight ass, I tell you. It stinks like ass in here. It fucking ass, I tell you. But, I don't know how to create this yet. Did you finish making the weapon? I don't even know, man. I don't even know. You're asking a lot of questions, and I don't know how to answer them because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm gonna be real. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. At least we can't smell it. Smell what? What are you smelling? Print var selected equals. Just sells. You want? Is that a Breaking Bad? Oh my god, that's a Breaking Bad reference. Holy shit, that's a Breaking Bad reference. It's a Breaking Bad reference. It's a Breaking Bad reference, guys. It's a Breaking Bad reference. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a Breaking Bad reference, guys. It's a Breaking Bad reference. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I do apologize for my last couple streams, man. My last couple streams, this stream and last stream, I've been dead tired. So, I've been dead tired, so yeah. Jojo Siwa. I don't know anything about who that is or whatever she does. Jojo Siwa is that, like, fucking girl who's, like, stole Jojo's name, right? Skibbity. Yeah. Ohio. Riz. Okay. Okay, let me test my game. What the hell? Test item 2, test item 3, and test item 4. 3, 2, and then this is 4. Okay. Let's run the game and let this work, hopefully. Oh, 5. I need to create item 5. There we go, item 5. Now I can test to see how this works. Null. Skibbity Gat Ohio Riz Slime. I don't know why you're surprised by that. You're acting as if it's something monumental. That's something I say literally all the time. What the fuck? What the why are these so small? What? Why is only the first one big and then everything else is tiny as shit? What? Huh? Why? I swear to God, what the fuck? Why is only the first one, like, big and everything else is small? What? Why? Why is it like this? Why does it not work? God fucking damn it. Why is it so small? I don't think scale has anything to do. I just don't know why it just doesn't work. I just started game development and don't know where to start when trying to learn the script. I've watched tutorials and tried to ask ChatGPT, would you have any advice on where and what to do to start? Welcome. First things first. Welcome to the stream, Diesel Day. Hope you're having a good day. I am. I don't know if you have the wrong impression here, but I am not very good at game development. I am awful at game development. I am also a beginner, just like you. But if I would suggest it, first things first, I would try to figure out what you want to make. Like, a part about game development is you need to know what you want to make before you start. So for like a new beginner, I would suggest like a 2D game or something. And then I would then try to make it on my I don't know what knowledge, like I don't know how much knowledge you have of it so far. Like when I started game development, I had some prior knowledge, like some prior knowledge. Not like experience or anything, but like I knew coding. So if you know how to code at least, that's a good place to start. But if you don't, then you're gonna have to learn a lot more, you know? But first things first, you need to know what you want to make. I would suggest trying to make it on your own, and then once you like don't know what to do, you would search up how to make that specific thing. Like don't follow a tutorial one by one. You gotta like actually try to learn by doing it yourself, you know? Try to make, yeah, you should definitely make an open world RPG MMO with stats and multiplayer. You should definitely do that for your first game. Yeah, definitely. That's what you should do for your first game. Just like stats, RPG, MMO, open world, action based. Yeah, but it's a complicated process. It's a pretty long process. I'm also not very good at game development either. Um, I've spent like an hour and a half so far trying to create an inventory system, so I can tell you that I'm not very good. And I'm having a lot of issues. For some reason, my item list is all scrunched up. I don't know why it's so scrunched up. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. Remember to optimize. If you're starting out, if you're a new game developer, I wouldn't focus on optimization. If you're making a small game, do not focus on optimization. It probably won't go well. Why the fuck is this scrunched up? I don't know why this is like this. Why? Why? Why is only the first item like fine and everything else isn't fine? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on, man? What is the UI? Slime is just if you once you're better at game development, yeah, you should optimize, but you shouldn't optimize later. What the fuck is going on, man? Maybe if I turn on auto height, maybe? Is that a class? I don't know, man. I don't know. Listen, I don't know. I'm just trying shit out here. I'm just trying shit out. I'm gonna be real. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Why does this not work? I'm serious. I don't know what's going on. What? Why the fuck is it so scrunched up? Item. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. That's why. Oh, I see. I see. 3. I get it now. I got it to work. Okay, I got it. I got it. It's because I didn't have any text inside of it. I didn't have any text inside of it. God fucking damn, I'm stupid. Okay. I am stupid. I got it to work now. I got it to work. I got it to work. I got... Yeah. Use. Okay, there we go. I got it to work. By the way, this thing that's coming out of my right side is my penis, by the way. This is my penis that's like being thrusted forward. This is not my fist, it's my penis. I'm thrusting my penis forward. Yeah, that's just a little bit of a fun fact in case you guys didn't know. Anyways. Why did I do so much damage, by the way? I don't know why I did so much damage. The poor Dorse. There is nothing to pity, okay? You shouldn't feel bad for it, okay? You should not feel bad for it. But clicking in the inventory, making you attack might be annoying, lol. Listen, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't know. Right now, I'm just trying to focus on making my inventory work. I'm gonna focus on polishing another time, okay? I'm just trying to get the basics working. Just trying to get the basics working here, if I can. Okay. Inventory. Let's go back to inventory. Go back to inventory. Inventory.append. Okay. Okay, we got the idea of how it works now. We got the idea of how it works. Whew. 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 We got to work. Okay. Selected. Wait, what did that do again? Wait, let me actually run the game again. Let me figure this out. Let me run the game again. Use. What does that do? It returns 0, 1, 2. Okay, that's good. That works. Okay. So I'm gonna do inventory and then selected. Thoughts on Linux versus Windows? I don't know. I don't use Linux. I would not know, okay? I don't know. Thoughts? Sure, I like Windows. I prefer Windows because I've used Windows my entire life. That's the only reason why I like Windows. I've used it my entire life. I think it's easy. Yeah. How do I convert a packed int 32 into an integer? Slime in jail in the Fortnite item shop. What? What? Packed int. Oh, wait. Okay. Selected. Oh, wait. I got it. I think I need to put 0 here. Put 0. There we go. Where is my mouse? Why did my mouse disappear? Why does my mouse disappear? What the fuck is going on? Why is my mouse disappearing? What? My mouse is disappearing. Why is my mouse disappear? Oh my, huh? What? Why is my mouse disappearing? I know, okay, you guys can see it, but my mouse is disappearing every time I go into, why? You guys can see it on screen, but I can't fucking see it for some reason. What? What the fuck is this Baba Booey? What the fuck is this Baba Booey? Oh, because I had my game running. That's why. Fuck. God, okay. I had my game running. That's why. Use this. I'm not going to do that. It's very annoying. I'm not going to use, I'm not going to do that. It's very annoying, man. Very, very annoying. But anyways, I got to work. Okay, I'm actually starting to see the pathway on how to get this inventory to work. Oh my god. I got it. Got equipped. Equip, and this is good night, guys. Are you leaving, Nutty Buddy? If you are, have a good night, man. Have a good night. I appreciate you joining, man. Have a good day. Appreciate you joining, man. All right. Okay. What do I want to do now? Drop. This is gonna remove the item. So item. So this is going to do inventory dot remove selected. Is there no remove option? Goodbye. Have a good day, Nutty Buddy. Have a good day. Godot array remove. Is there no remove ability, like a method? Should be a remove method or something. There should be a method to remove. Is it erase? Erase sounds like kind of menacing. It's like I'm gonna erase you from existence. Okay, I'm just gonna do erase here. Erase. I don't know why erase sounds very menacing. It's going to erase someone from ever existing here. Uh, okay, we've got the basic inventory working, I guess. We've got the basic inventory working. Uh, now we can instantiate a sword, I guess. We could try instantiating a sword. Should I have a weapon ID? I don't know if I should have like a weapon ID. Like an item ID, I mean. Like if I create like a unique item name for all my weapons and stuff, then I won't need an ID. I can just use this. Func use func use pass func equip pass. Okay, let's see. Equip. Can I equip? If it's true, if it's I need to check if it's if inventory dot select uh equal dot item type equals if it's equal to if it's equipable. If it's equal to weapon or wait, should I just do equipable? I'm gonna create a var boolean. Var equipable. Boolean. If weapon dot equipable then I'm gonna do this. There we go. If it's equipable, then I'll do that. Alright, I think I'm going to take a bit of a break here. I think I'm going to take a bit of a break. I'm going to try to refresh myself so I can allow my brain to be better, you know. I'm going to refresh myself here. I'm going to refresh myself. I'll be back in a bit. Hello, I am back. And I'm ready to make some more progress. Hopefully, you know, hopefully. I'm ready to hopefully make more progress here. Alright, why the hell is this not working? Could not find type boolean. Is it two L's? Boolean? Why is it bool? Oh, it's just bool. It's just bool. Okay. I thought it was full boolean, but it's just bool. Okay. I think I should probably find like an example item to like I should probably add an item or something. I should probably I don't know what the hell I'm saying. I should probably okay, I'm gonna add a random item in the game so I can pick it up. I'm gonna add a random item in the game so I can pick it up. I should probably have made this a 3D node, I think. Let me change the type of this. Let me change the type. How do I change the type of a node again? I forgot. What is that? Sub resource? Change type. Right, there we go. I'm gonna turn this into a 3D node so I can appear in the game. Node 3D. Node 3D. Okay, I'm gonna make it so items can drop and stuff, and I can pick it up. Also, hello, Blue Alien. Welcome to the stream, man. How you doing? Hope you're. Wait, you already joined earlier, but welcome back. Welcome back, Blue Alien. How's it going? Everyone else left, so it's just me here alone, trying to figure out how to get this game to work. You know, just me here by myself. You know, just me by myself. Am I the only one left? Yes, you are. Yes, you are, man. Yes, you are. Alright, how do I want to do this? Um, okay, how do I make it so I can change the mesh? Okay, fuck. I want to be able, so I want to make it so my items are randomized. So there are a bunch of random items. Okay. Okay. Okay, how do I want to get this to work? So, I want to make it so there's like a mesh, and then I can like change the mesh whenever I want to. But the thing is, should I just create a new scene with every item? I could just create like a new scene. Huh. I don't know how I want to do this. New inherited scene. Uh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. How do I want to do this? I'm not sure how I want to do this. This is the sword. Because I want the items to be droppable. I want to be able to see the item in the world as well. So, I have the 3D meshes available. So I have the 3D meshes available. I can like put it in the game. I can do that. But I want to make it so I can do it from like the code. Would I have to like manually drag in every single like thing? Well, did you know Ultra Kill is getting a revamp? Is it? I've only played Ultra Kill once. I played up to like I finished Ultra Kill up to where there was a game. I don't remember what chapter it was or whatever, but I finished Ultra Kill from where it was. Is it getting revamped? Like, what's changing? What's changing in the Ultra Kill revamp? Um, how do I want to do this? Uh, yeah, I think I have to make a separate scene for every single item. I think I'm gonna create a separate scene for every single item, I think. Items, I think. Yeah, I think I'm gonna create a separate scene. I don't know if this is inefficient. This might be very, very inefficient. But, I'm actually gonna ask on Google, is it inefficient? Godot, should I use a separate scene for every item? Why should I use a different scene? Yeah, basically everything. The sound, the lava, is it? Ultra Kill revamp. I thought Ultra Kill was fine. I don't know why they're changing everything. I thought Ultra Kill was fine. I don't know why they're changing it. 1 year ago. Okay, that's 1 year ago. Is there like a recent post about Ultra Kill revamp? I don't know. I don't know about the thing. Anyways, I think I'm gonna make everything its own scene, I think. That's really inefficient though. That's really, really inefficient. That's really fucking inefficient. Because I'm also. Is this really how I'm gonna do this? Because that would cost. That would have like. I would have like a million scenes. I would straight up have a million scenes at that point. Like if I was gonna add a scene for every individual item, I wouldn't say it's a revamp. Well, literally 2 messages ago, you said it was a revamp. But yeah, if it's an update, then yeah, that's good. You know, I like more update, more content is good because I know the game's still incomplete. I have come to haunt Blue Alien and tell you how inefficient. I am imagining this is very inefficient. Also, welcome back, Nutty Buddy. Why are you still here? I thought you went to sleep or something. But I don't know what the fuck to do because the only way I can think of doing this is having like a separate scene for every single item. But that does sound very inefficient because, well, that's a lot of scenes. You know, if I have to add like a different mesh for like a different scene for every item, that's very inefficient. But otherwise, I don't know how to do it otherwise. You know, I don't know how to do it. Because like if I don't do it that way, how am I going to create a different mesh for every individual items? I just brushed my teeth and I can't fall asleep. Well, I don't think watching me is going to help you fall asleep, you know. I don't think watching me is going to help you fall asleep, but that's cool, I guess. That's You know what? I'm gonna add cheese. You know, I think it's finally time to add the cheese to the game. I think I'm gonna add the cheese to the game. I'm gonna add the cheese to the game. I'm gonna add the cheese to the game here. I'm gonna make the cheese the first item I add. This is gonna be the first item I add to the game. I think export. I'm gonna export this to GLTF. This is gonna be the cheese.glib. Cheese. I'm not making purple cheese. I'm not making purple cheese, okay? This cheese is gonna be yellow, like it's intended to be, okay? This is yellow intended cheese. Let's put this in 3D models. Where's my cheese? This is in my document folder. Where did I export it? Where does it get exported? Where the fuck did the cheese get exported to? Where did I export my cheese to? Oh, game blender file. That's where I put it. Cheese.glib. There, we now have our cheese. Make it. I don't know the different cheese types. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know the different cheese types. Sometimes I feel like a dog. I mean, fair enough. Sometimes you got that dog in you. Wait, can I create an area 3D inside of a? How do I want to do this? I guess I could, mozzarella is white and therefore has more rights. Is there any cheese without rights? Aren't all cheese like yellow and white? I don't think there's any like brown or black cheese, right? Sometimes I feel like you got that dog in you? You got that dog in you, huh? There is another person. I can sense it. Do you have like a people sensor? Is there? Isn't that just like? Is there really black cheese? That sounds very interesting, but all right. How the fuck am I gonna do this? Yasil is omnipresent. It would be very surprising if Yasil was here. I would be quite surprised if he was here. How the hell am I gonna create this as an item? Because I intend to create like at least a couple dozen items. Like I want to add a couple dozen items, and if there's a couple dozen items, there's gonna be a couple dozen scenes, and I don't want to create that many scenes for every single individual item. But if I don't do that, I don't know how I'm gonna individually create different meshes and different like collision shapes and stuff. So yeah. Um. Huh. Should I create a separate chat? You know, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. 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 Remni has luck. Slime streams that day for him, but that also means that he has stuff. Yeah, he goes to therapy. Whenever he joins my stream, he always has to go to therapy. It's like, oh my god, slime stream is so painful. I need to go to therapy. In Godot, should I make an individual scene file for every single item? Modularity. Item pooling. If performance is a concern, each item has a different model and collision area. So I'm considering creating separate scenes for all of them, which seems a bit inefficient. Uh, hmm. In one scene, hmm. I don't know how to set up my thing because am I really gonna create a? I don't know game developer practices. Is this a normal practice in game developers? I think it is faulty to assume that viewers have to go to therapy because of the streams. Maybe just that specific mentality, unstable kind of human gets recommended your streams by the algorithm. So mentally unstable, are you saying the only mentally unstable people are recommended my streams? Why are mentally unstable people like recommended to me? Or like why am I being recommended mentally unstable people? That's kind of weird or whatever, you know. That's very interesting, you know. Very, very interesting, I gotta say. Uh, uh how do I want to do this, man? I don't know how I want to do this at all. Um, hmm. Hmm. How do I want to do this? I don't even know. I got recommended by Tommy. I'm a very stable and well-organized person. I don't know, man. I mean, to be fair, you do seem more stable than some other people in my chat, but I don't know if I would consider you very mentally stable. Well, to be fair, I don't really know anything about you, but I guess you are. Actually, you are one of the more normal people who join my stream chats. You are pretty normal. I am not unstable. I just feel like a puppy dog. Why do you feel like a puppy dog? Do you want to be patted on the head or something? Okay, how the fuck do I want to do this, man? How the fuck do I want to do this? Um, I don't know. I actually don't know. Uh, uh, yeah. Why? What's that with that flustered talk? I don't know why. You remind me of that one meme on Reddit. It's like it was this like this like drawing with really big eyes and like really red face. It's like the meme was like yes, I like girls or something. It's like real this like the meme was the dude in the meme was very embarrassed, had these massive eyes, had this really cute art style. I don't know why, you just remind me of that meme. Try to take a bite out of your phone. Why would I do that? Why would I take a bite out of my phone? Okay, should I just create a separate scene for every single item? Should I just create a separate scene for every item? I'm literally just considering doing that. You know what? Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. I'm gonna fuck it. I'm gonna fuck a lot of things here. I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna new inherited scene. This is gonna be cheese. That's not cheese. I accidentally put creature. That is not a piece of cheese. That is not a piece of cheese there. Girls are uncool since Tommy tried to confess to one. Now tomboys are all the rage. Since when did you are you TNTO in disguise? I have a feeling that you're TNTO in disguise. Are you TNTO in disguise, man? Huh. Oh. Area 3D. This is gonna be the interactable. This is so items can be interacted with. Do I want to add physics to my items? I could add physics to my item, but honestly, I don't know how. Damn, don't slander me, man. I see, I see. Let me, let me do this. Do collision wait, how do I... Area 3D. I'm gonna do collision shape 3D. This is box shape. Let me do a box shape. Yeah, let's do a box shape there. I think I'm gonna go with individual scenes for every single item, I think. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I miss Remni. Oh. Do you have a crush on Remni? Oh my god, I can't believe people are flirting in my chat, man. Can't believe people are flirting in my chat. Like, they want to, like... You're missing Remni already? This is cheese. This is, scene, and this is item. This is gonna be cheese scene. Cheese item. Cheese item. And this collision shape 3D, this area 3D is gonna have in the group... It's gonna be in the interactable. No, he's cool. Slime may not be Slenderman, but oh man, does he slander people. Slander men. There's a lot of things I slander, okay? I am not very slender at all. No, he's cool. I mean, to be fair, Remnant is pretty cool. He is a pretty cool guy. He is a pretty cool dude. Very cool dude, I must say. How do I add a collision to this? Character body 3. How do I add physics to an item? How the fuck do I add physics to an item again? How do I add physics again? I forgot. Wait, I remember that Remni did not go to therapy this time, but went to animate something. Did he? I feel like he said that he was gonna do therapy or something. I don't remember. Physical bone? Character body 3D. I think I'm just gonna... How do I create... How the fuck do I open anyways? Open anyways. I'm gonna do this. Let me delete this. Cheese. I'm gonna create a collision shape on this cheese. Let me do sibling. Why does that not work? Why is there an error here? When used for collision, it is intended to work with static collision objects. It might not behave well. What? What the fuck? Add collision shape. Static child body. I don't want it to be static though. I want it to be a character 3D. Huh. Does static bodies have physics? Do they move around? I don't do therapy. I take drugs. I mean, who says that drugs aren't therapy, you know? Animation is cool. Animation is cool. I'm not very good at it though. Okay, I'm gonna call this cheese. This is gonna be the cheese item now. This is the cheese item. This is the cheese item. Now, I'm gonna try spawning some cheese in. I'm gonna try spawning some cheese in here, guys. I'm gonna try spawning some cheese in. Creature. How do I spawn cheese in again? I forgot. Let me do cheese. Let me create some cheese in my game. if tile equals this, and then if this is greater than 90, I'm gonna spawn some cheese in the game. I was very surprised that you can just take multiple lower doses of ibuprofen and get the same result. I don't know what that is. What are these words? Are those chemistry words real, or did you make those up? I feel like you made those words up just now. I do not recognize those words at all. Cheese. Cheese. Var cheese dot cheese. Cheese dot instantiate. And then I'm gonna do this. Cheese dot position, and then I'm gonna add some cheese. Add some cheese to the game here. Alright, let's see if this works. Hopefully this works. So we have some spawning cheese in the game. Item dot wait, what? Item dot preload. Why is that an error? What I get an error here for? What is this? What scene is this? Items dot scene. Oh, whoops. I think I moved the item, so it's gotta go in a different place. Var item dot instantiate. There we go, that should work. Wasn't there a study that I don't know what ibuprofen is. You can't just say random words and expect me to know what it is. What the fuck is an ibuprofen? Why is the cheese so big? Why is the cheese so big? The cheese is bigger than I thought it would be. The cheese is quite massive, I must say. It is very humongous. It's humongous among us. Among us, among us. I think I'm gonna turn collision off, I think I'm gonna turn collision off. Because it's very cheesy, I gotta say. Wait, collision is important. How do I make it so I can just walk through that? Okay. Layers. How do I change this? Okay, I'm gonna make it layer 2 maybe. I'm gonna put it on layer 2 maybe. I'm gonna test this out. I'm gonna test this out because I want to be able to walk through the items. Okay, there we go. I can walk through the items now. I can walk through the items. Okay. I don't want the items to actually be able to get in the way of whatever, you know? Okay. Massive cheese. Big cheese. Gimme. Now add, you know, I actually will add giant rats to the game. I was playing this game called Arx Fatalis. You guys probably have not played it because this game is like criminally underrated. But there's this game called Arx Fatalis and there are rats in the game. So, yeah, I was playing this game the other day. It's a really fun game. It's fun, but very old. There's a lot of rats in the game. These are not. There's a rat man as well. There's rat man. I killed a couple of rat men in my game. In the game I was playing. So yeah. Anyways, Skibbity Ohio toilet. Let's create an interaction button. Now I can interact with things. I wanna interact with things now. I wanna interact with it. How do I create interact message? I'm gonna create a child node label. Crazy. I was crazy once. They locked me in a room, a rubber room with rats, and rats make me crazy. Crazy? I was crazy once. They locked me in a room. And I forgot how to say the rest. Interact message. This is the interact message here. You will die. No. E to pick up. Interact. This is the interact button. Center. This is gonna be in the center. Actually gonna be at the bottom. I want it to be slightly down. Theme. I I want to make the font a little bit bigger here. Make the font a little bit bigger. Font size, I'm gonna do like something like 10 maybe? That's very small. Too small. Too small. This is gonna be like 30? 30 seems pretty good, yeah. I will interact with your booty cheeks. Unfortunately, I haven't added a collision to my booty cheeks yet, so you cannot interact with them. I apologize. I apologize. You cannot interact with my booty cheeks. You'll have to wait for the sex update. So anyways, I feel like a puppy dog because I feel like I am being owned by humans, but in a good way, since I'm kind of like a slave, but good. Also, I sort of look cute, even though I am made for war. Blue Alien, you're sounding a lot like a femboy right now. Are you a femboy alien? Or a fem alien or whatever? Because you're sounding an awful lot like one right now. Yeah, shape. Color. Let me add a color rect here real quick. I'm gonna make this color rect very small though. I'm gonna make this a small color rect. This is gonna be for the center. This is gonna be the very center. Color rect. I'm gonna make this slightly transparent as well, so you can barely see it. It's gonna be like your interact circle. Let me run this. I'm an alien, not a femboy. I don't know, man. The way you're talking, the way you're kind of talking, man. It's kind of interesting, I will say, man. I don't know, man. I don't know, bro. I don't know, man. But yeah. Let me actually make the color rect a little bit more transparent because I don't like how that looks. Okay. Should I make this even more transparent? I don't want it to be very visible. I just want it to be slightly visible. Okay, the player. Where is the raycast signals? I want it to detect something. How do I check when it detects something or not? Raycast 3D. How does raycast work? I forgot. I know it checks when it hits something. Why does the raycast not have a... Wait, add attach script. Let me attach a script here. Raycast. Godot Raycast 3D. Raycast 3D. How do I use a Raycast 3D again? Method get collider. Ignore 3D. Calculates intersection. Godot Raycast 3D. Let me figure out how to get this to work. I wanted to send a signal every time it detects something.
February 27th is election day in Ontario. Learn more.
I'm just gonna skip this ad. What do you want me to say? My overall appearance is rather more striking and charming, as though I was crafted for use in conflict and war. I don't thinking you would know what that. I don't even know what that means. You are correct.
Cast in Godot 4. Start right here and drag it out. This will be the size.
Okay.
It will ignore the collision it starts inside of. So, for instance, our player has a collision. We'll exclude the parent. Or colliding with something. All we need to do is if colliding. And you can connect the basic here we have and this area is else. Please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Is there no way to make it so it only sends a signal when it detects something? Because I don't want it to check every single frame. That seems very inefficient. Because if it checks every single frame, it feels inefficient a bit inefficient.
Second method of rake with
physical lighting method, which lets you know if the raycast actually hit something or not. Here's a little scene I made with a
Okay, you know what? I don't know. Let me check. It's colliding with areas, properties. Get collider. Get collider. Is collide. Should I really do it? Check every single frame? There's a video that said not to use Godot. What video? What video said to not use Godot? You know, Ray. Yeah, I'm gonna delete this. Delete this script. Yeah, I'm gonna get the collider. I think I'm just gonna check every single frame. I feel like there's an easier way, a better way to do it. Now my eyes are falling shut. Good night, strange blue femboy and red bowl in my screen. Have a good night, Nutty Buddy. Have a good night. I saw it on your home page. Really? Video that said not to use Godot? Was there a video that said that? I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm not a femboy, dumb dumb nice. Ah, yes, dumb nice person, right? Oh dear lord, the thing that you were about to say. What am I talking about? You were definitely about to say nice person, right? Definitely. Definitely gonna say nice person. Definitely working to say anything else there. Yee. Yeah, what am I gonna do here? What am I doing? I forgot. What am I doing? Right. I gotta check for funk process. I'm gonna check every single frame to see if it's colliding or not. If it's colliding, I feel like there's a better way. Is there no way to send a signal when it gets connected? Parent? Wait, what? Process float. Huh? If Nutty Buddy calls me a femboy one more time, I'm gonna make sure. I mean, he is asleep right now, so I don't know if he's gonna call you a femboy while he's asleep, but you know. Is there really no. I feel like there should be a way to. Child enters the scene tree. Is there no way to check with a script tree entering renamed? I feel like raycast signal. There should be. It should send out a signal, shouldn't it? Raycast signal. Godot raycast signal. Okay, they have to check. You literally have to check every single frame. That's a little bit annoying. A little bit annoying that you have to check, but alright. Whatever, I guess. Raycast. Raycast. This is the raycast. Raycast. If raycast dot interact. No, not dot interact. Dot is colliding. Is colliding. And also, if I was a femboy, would I have said, is it normal for me to hate children? Or would my profile pic be more kawaii? Listen, I don't know many femboys, so I don't know. But from the way you talked, it just sounded like it, okay? It just sounded like it. So I just made a wild guess, alright? That was a wild guess. Get collider. Get collider. Get collider. Raycast. Get collider. Pass. Is that? And raycast. Get collider. Is. Wait, item. Get equals dot in is in group. In how do I check if something's in a group? Is group in how do I check if something's in a group? Godot. Check if in a group. Is in group. I can just do dot is in group. Okay, is in group. Is in group. Interactable. Let me check my groups. Interactable. Interactable. Okay, it's interactable. Var item equals this. Else. Let me do interact message here. Interact message. Interact message. Interact message equals false and true. I mean, dot visible. Interact dot visible equals false. Dot visible equals true. Yeah, okay. Let me see if this works. See if I can detect it now. Let me see if I can detect it. Let me see if I can detect it. Okay, I can detect cheese now. Look at that. Look at that. I'm detecting cheese. I am detecting cheese now. There we go. It's not really good, but I can detect cheese now. Anyways, gonna head out. I hope you focus and work better. Have a great day and night. You too, Blue Alien. Thank you for joining, man. Thank you for joining. I appreciate you being here, man. Appreciate you being here. Have a good day. Have a fantastic day, man. Alright, it seems to be working. Everything seems to be working here. Although the cheese position seems a little bit off to me. Why is the cheese, like, weirdly positioned for some reason? The cheese looks weirdly positioned. I don't know why. It's very weirdly positioned, but alright. Okay, now we can interact with it. Interact. Now we can interact. Let me open up my cheese item script. Now I need to call the interact. Interactable. Attach script. Interactable. Okay, now I create a script called interactable. What happens in here? Interact. Pass. At export node var interact interactable. How do I want to do this? I don't know how I want to do this. I want to make it so you can pick up the thing. Node 3D item interactable. At export var item. Let's do our item. Item. If var item, this is gonna be a bool. If it's an item, you can pick it up. If item, then pass for a sec. I want to make it so we can add it then. Parent. How do we get the parent of this again? Parent. Parent. Parent is the node up top of it. Parent. Then parent dot. Now, okay. If it's an item, we pass the item back to the player then. Okay. How do we pick it up? If it's an item, then we pick it up. If it's not an item, then we don't pick it up. if it's interactable, if item dot I wait, if interaction if interaction dot item wait is dot item is it it's not item, right? Jesus, I'm messing this shit up. It's dot item, yes, it's dot item pass. If dot item, then else. If it's not an item. Okay, so if it's an item, we want to pick it up. If it's not an item, we don't want to pick it up. Item, if item, return parent dot item name. Return parent. We're just gonna return the parent. We're just gonna return the entire node to the parent. And the player will add that to their inventory. Okay. Player.inventory. Wait, how do I get it? I have an inventory, right? Inventory. Where's my inventory? I have an inventory, right? Yeah, I do. So inventory's right here. Inventory.add. Inventory.add. Interaction dot you dot interact. Is it dot interact? It's dot interact, right? Yeah, interact. Wait, func get parent. Wait, interact, yeah. Dot interact dot interaction dot interact. That gives me the parent, I think. That gives me the parent. Interaction dot interact. That gives me the parent. I need to get the string name for now, I think. In order to add, I need the string name. I need the string name. Add item. Yes, I just need a string name. For later on, I want to add like quantity and stuff, but for now, I'm going to start simple. So interact dot interact dot string dot string dot name dot item name. Hopefully this works. I'm hoping that this works. It feels a bit scuffed for now, so I don't know if this is actually working or not, but let's see. Let's see if this works here. Let's see if this works. And that did not work. Okay. If interact.item equals true. Why did that not work? If interaction.item. If it's an item, then I want to make it so it's false. Why did that crash? Why the fuck did that crash? Item. Cheese dot. Why did that crash? There should be an item. I literally have an item variable here. Why did that crash? I have an item variable. Dot get collider. What? Okay, print interaction. Oh, interaction is just it's a boolean. It's a fucking, okay, let me remove this. Let me move this. That's why. Okay. Okay, I think I got this. I think. I'm not 100% sure. We'll see though. We'll see, we'll see. Hopefully this works because I've been working on this inventory for a long, oh my god. Non-existent function add. Do I not have an add function in my inventory? Add item. Okay, that's what it is. Add item. Add item. Oh wait, I still need to press E as well. I need to press for this automatically adds the item into my inventory. I need to make sure to interact with the item. Let me do this. Item name invalid access to item name. What do you mean invalid access to item name? Oh, okay, adds an item. Okay, fuck. Shit. I'm really messing this up, huh? I'm really messing this up. Okay, there we go. This should work. Hopefully. Hopefully, hopefully. I'm not feeling very hopeful because I've messed up a lot, but why? 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 What is happening? Oh. Why the fuck do why does this keep happening, man? Okay, let's try this again. For the 50th attempt. Let's try this again. Let me show us on screen real quick. Show us on screen. Okay, I should have... No, I don't have cheese. Where's my cheese? Where the fuck is my cheese? Oh. 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 Okay, there's the cheese. Okay, there it is. Okay. I gotta give it a name now. I gotta give it a name. I gotta give it a name. That's the problem. I gotta give it a name. I gotta give it a name. Let me do @export on this. @export. @export. I'm just gonna export all this. @export. @export. Add export. Then in cheese, I can make this all upgradable or itemable or whatever. This is cheese. Dungeon player. I'm gonna create a function called interaction. Func player interact. And then I'm gonna put all of this in here because I don't want this clouding up my process function. So I'm just gonna do that. If player dot is press, if I want to get if of input mouse event. Wait, if action input dot just pressed, UI accept. I want to. What's the what's it called? What's my button for interacting? Do I have a button for interacting? I do not. Okay, interact. That's gonna be my E button. Interact. You use E to interact. Why is this if? That should work, right? Yeah, okay. Interact. Now I should be able to interact with the cheese now. I should be able to interact with the cheese. Should. I've spent 2.5 hours trying to figure out this inventory system. So I very much hope that this works. And nope, it does not work. Fantastic. What now? What now, guys? What now? What the fuck happened? Did I spell interact wrong? Interact. I got interact. Item.add. Okay, let's try this again. What? Okay, I'm not gonna... Okay, Okay, the raycast isn't even showing up anymore. What? Oh, wait. Fuck, I'm an idiot. Player interact. I forgot to run the function. That's why it wasn't actually running or whatever. Okay, try this again. Attempt number 5000. Literally, so many mistakes, so many bugs. I think I got it to work though. Interact. Cheese! I got cheese! Now I have many cheese. Let's fucking go. Ah, man. Man, oh man. Okay, I'm gonna make the font of the items a little bit smaller because that's a bit big. I will say it's a bit big, so it's clouding up my entire thing. So I'm gonna make the font a little bit smaller. Make it 75. Yeah, that seems good. 75 seems good. And then I'm gonna make it so items will disappear after they've been interacted with. Return parent. I want to make it go away. How do I make it go away? How do I make something... Okay, this returns the parent, but I want it to disappear after returning the parent. How do I do that? Godot, how to queue free after returning value? Godot, how to queue free after returning value? Delete the node. You need to ensure the value is returned first. Here's an example. Return the value Oh, so queue free will always run after. So I can do queue free and it'll just run after. Okay. Queue free. Parent dot queue free. Okay, if that works, then that's very convenient. If it's very convenient if it runs afterwards. Okay, that should work. Now I should have a cheese that disappears when I press on it now. Very fancy. Now I have an item system, and it's gone. Okay. That got deleted, and then it just crashed my game. What? Okay, I'm gonna have to check if it's not null. If raycasting, I'm gonna have to check that it isn't null. Is colliding. And wait, why does it crash though? What the fuck? If it's deleted, then there shouldn't be any collision left then. Then there shouldn't be colliding anymore. This is where it's crashing here. I think it's because it gets deleted and it thinks it's still being... If get collider... Oh. If is colliding. Huh. What? What? How do I fix this? Because I got the item to disappear, but the moment the item disappears, it crashes my game because apparently there's no more whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna check if it's not null then. I'm just gonna do a check if it's not null. If this not equal to null, then we run next. If it's null, then it's gonna skip everything. It should just skip everything. That should be how it works, right? Because it's like lazy evaluation or something. I don't remember what it's called, but it's like lazy evaluation where if it determines that's false, it just skips the rest of the expression. There we go. And now I have cheese. I have cheese in my inventory now. I have cheese in my inventory. Oh. If I try to use an item, it disappears. Can I do dot duplicate? Duplicate, because duplicates a node, right? Because I want to make it so that because if I do queue free, the item disappears from whatever, you know. Okay, that works. I can do dot duplicate. That works. Dot duplicate works. Perfect. Perfect. That does indeed work. Okay, fantastic. That works. Now I just need to make my cheese item actually do something. I need to make it use player.hp. How do I get the player? Player. I want my player. I need to make a signal. I need to get the player. How do I get the player? So everything is in my inventory here. I need to call the player function. So, so inventory. This is the inventory. Control. Wait, let me look at my inventory again. On use press dot use. How do I, so this dot uses it. How am I gonna get this to increase the player HP? Should I just make it send a signal? I can make it send a signal, I guess. Dot use. I don't know. I for now, at least I got the inventory system working. I got it somewhat working. I got it somewhat working now, at least. I got it somewhat working. I can add cheese to my game now, at least. I can add cheese to my game. That's at least something, you know. That's at least something. I can interact with cheese, you know. I can interact with cheese. I'm glad I can interact with cheese. Which is always nice, you know, always nice to be able to interact with some cheese. Did I see? For a sec, I thought I saw some cheese run by the screen. I thought the cheese was moving for a sec. I would have questioned my sanity if I thought cheese was moving. But I got to work. Cheese, let's go. Cheese, I got cheese. Lots and lots of cheese. I gotta make the item stack. I gotta make the item stack from now on. I gotta make it stack. Yeah. I gotta make the item stack. Because having 1,000,000 cheese is gonna be very annoying. So I gotta make the item stack, or else this would be awful. This would be very, very awful if the items didn't stack. So I gotta make it stack. Yeah, I think I like this. I like my UI. I spent a lot of time at the beginning of the stream figuring out how to make this inventory, but I think it's pretty fine so far. I think it's pretty fine. I think it's pretty good. Pretty good, I must say. Pretty good. But, there are still some things I need to work out. Like, I need to make the item stack, and I need to make it actually interactable. I need to make it drop, use, equipped, and drop. I don't think there's any other function I have besides these three, right? Use, equip, and drop. Those are only 3 things I needed to do. Yeah. Okay, let me get out of this. Let me see if I can figure out how to get stack. I can figure that another time. You know, I can figure that out another time. Should I do like a cheese item description? I'm gonna do item description. Var description. String. This is gonna be the string. This is an item description. Cheese. A very delicious block of spoiled milk of cheese, you know? Cheese. A very delicious block of cheese. And then in my inventory, I'm gonna make it so it can display the description of the item. Let me do label, text, label. Should I just do text edit? Label. Let's just do label, I guess. Let me just do label. Let me do top right. All the way down here. Let me just do it from the center and the center from here. Let me change the font size to like 20. Let me do it like 30? 40. Let's do 40 for font size. 40 seems good. Yeah, 40 seems good. Alright, 40 seems good. Description. This is the description of the item. Let me should I do a process? If How do I view when I click on an item? Is there any signals for this? Item list. Item clicked. Okay, item clicked. That's perfect. That's literally perfect. On item list, item click. Index. Description. Let me put this somewhere. Description. Let me put this at the very top. There we go. Let me actually delete all these test items because now that I can actually find things, I don't need test items anymore. I don't need test items. I got real items, I got real items. Inventory dot inventory index description dot text equals inventory.index.description. There we go. I should be able to view the description of my cheese now. I should be able to view the description of my cheese. My delicious succulent cheese. I don't have any items in my inventory right now, but once I do this... Wait, what? Where's my cheese description? Where? Fuck. There should be cheese description. What? A very delicious cheese. Why does that not work? Index. Why does that not work? It should be dot description. Description? That should work. I don't know why it's not working. Hello, Goofy Puppy 100. How you doing, man? Yeah, it's been a while, Goofy Puppy. How you doing? Hope you're having a good day, man. It's been a very, very long time since I've seen you, Goofy Puppy. Also, hello, Subliminary. Hello, my fellow Godot dev. I am a very amateur Godot dev. I don't know how professional you are, but I'm a very amateurish Godot dev. I'm struggling a lot. Good, I'm doing good. And it is good that you're doing good, Goofy Puppy. It's been a while since I've seen you, so nice seeing you again. But yeah, I'm doing some game dev today, and I'm struggling to solve some issues that I don't know how to fix. Description.text. So this should change the text, right? Why does that... I'm going to print this out just to make sure that the string is working here. I'm going to print this out to make sure the string is working. I'm going to run this. Same. I have maybe half a year of experience, but I get better every day. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I've made a couple of games before, but they're pretty small games. I'm working on something a little bit bigger. Does that work? Okay. Does this... Why does that not print anything? What? Okay, there's something very wrong here. Right now I'm trying to set up the inventory system. Inventory is very weird. Testing message. Been a while since I last coded a game. Are you also a game developer, Goofy Puppy? Because that is very impressive. Because I respect game developers. Because I like playing games. And I'm not very good at making games. So, yeah. Okay, this does not work. What the hell? Why does this not work? What is the index? Let me print the index of the inventory system, actually. Let me print the index. I mean, pretty much, yeah. I like playing games, so I respect people who have made... Have you published any games, Goofy Puppy? That would be... Oh, did I accidentally do that? Whoops. Did I accidentally do that? That might have been an accident. Let me test this out. Have you published any of your games, Goofy Puppy? I'm curious because I have made a couple of games before, but I've not published anything because I don't feel like any of the things I've made are that good. So why? Huh? Use index. Oh, is it index -1? Wait. I published one. Did you post it on Steam or something? I could check it out. I like playing games. I like playing games. So, why does this not work? What the fuck? Why the fuck does this not work? Okay, I got the index right. For some reason, the inventory. Oh, wait. Wait, where is my inventory? I don't have wait. Where is my inventory? Do I have my inventory in my player? Wait. Where is my inventory? What the fuck? Okay, my inventory is here, but where's my data? Oh, wait, it's right here. I don't know how I missed this. I think it's Steam. I don't really remember. I mean, that's fair enough. That's fair enough, I guess. Okay, why can I not access the dot description? What? It has a description. It's literally right there. What if I do item name? Let's try item name. Will item name work? Item name. Let's try item name. Let's see if that will print. Let's see if that will print. Item name. I'm just doing some basic testing right now. Item name doesn't work. Wait, let me use this. Yeah, item name works, but for some reason, item description doesn't. What the hell? What the hell? Did I spell description wrong? Description. I feel like I spelled description wrong. I spelled that right. I definitely spelled that right. Definitely spelled that right. If you have, yeah, I will definitely add a rat. Adding a rat is definitely one of the things I need to do soon. But I need to still work on the inventory first. You know, one step at a time. You know, I can't be getting ahead of myself. You know, can't get ahead of myself. I gotta take things slow. I'm not very smart, so I struggle a lot. I spent so long working on this. I spent it's been 3 hours, man. This is a 3-hour stream, and I cannot even finish my inventory system. I've not finished my inventory system in 3 hours of this, but we'll see. I don't know why this doesn't work. Index. I can print the name. The name works, but for some reason I can't print the description. What? This makes no sense. This actually makes no sense. This makes no sense to me. Why does it do this? Hmm. Huh. What is up? What is up here? What is up here? I honestly, like, don't even know where the bug is. Like, oh, wait. Wait a second. Wait a second. I see the problem now. What? That was the dumbest bug I've ever seen in my fucking life. I accidentally put the description in item type instead of putting in the... Oh my god. Oh my god. This is why it takes me 3 hours to, like, code an inventory system, because I make stupid mistakes like that. God damn it. Oh my lord. Okay, at least I figured it out. At least I figured it out. At least I figured it out. You know, at least I figured it out. Why is my cheese so big? You know, why? A very delicious block of cheese. There we go. We got a basic description working. Next, I need to make it so items stack. Items need to stack now, you know? I need to get items to stack. But, that's, for another time, I guess. Let's see here. Let's see here. A very delicious block of cheese. So far, it doesn't do anything. I need to figure out how to connect the player to my cheese item script, because I have a use script here and my player here, but my cheese is in this inventory thing, so that's quite far away. I don't know how to... Not sure how I'm gonna, like, what's it called? I'm gonna find the player and make it heal the player. Should I make the player's health like a universal? Wait, project settings. How do I save variables across scenes? Godot. Save variables across scenes. Because there's definitely a way, I'm pretty sure. Is there a way to pass? What an enemy gonna do? What is a enemy gonna do? Jump over the player and drop kick them from behind? I don't think my enemy mechanics are gonna be that fancy yet. I don't think my games are gonna if my games can be that fancy with my game is gonna be very simple. It's a very simple game, okay? It's a very simple game. Save data between scenes. This is what I want to do. It's just a question. Enemies are not gonna do that. I think they're just gonna walk up to the player and swing their arm or something and attack or something. I'm not gonna do anything fancy. Nothing too fancy.
Okay. First, we add a label. We open our script. We call the function process, and we drag our label. Call the value. We do value. We go to project settings, auto load, and we choose singleton on the auto load. We click on add, and we close it.
Okay, auto load. Does that work? Auto load. Auto load. Does that work? I've never used auto load before, so where is auto load? Where the fuck is auto load? Oh, okay. Global's auto load. Node name. Path. Wait, let me... Let me put my death state in my script. I don't know why it's not in the right folder. Where's my script? Right there. Okay, how do I want to do this? How do I want to connect this use function to my player function, which is all the way over here? I'm not sure. Tree? Get tree dot I don't know how to do a use. Should I do a signal? But if I use a signal, I still need to catch the signal. I need to connect the signal to the player. And doing that would require me to like have a pathway to the player. Oh, wait. Wait, no, never mind. Never mind. Dot use. What if I just do current node? How do I do current node? How do I get the current node? Godot. How do I get current node? Get current node. Get current node. How do I do that? How do I refer to the current node? How do I refer to the current node in Godot? Oh, okay, it's self. Okay, self. That's exactly what I need to do. Self. And then I can do like self dot parent dot player, because I think the player is always one below the main. So I can do self self, and then I can put parent, I guess, or node. When even was the last time we talked? Like over a year and a half or something like that. I don't remember, but it's something like that. It's been a while. I don't remember, but you joined me during my Slime Rancher streams, right? I don't exactly remember, but I think you stopped watching me during my Minecraft streams, I think. I don't exactly remember. It's been a really long time, like we've said, but it's been ages. It actually might have been 2 years now. I think it might have been 2 years. Wait, were you here for my Hat in Time stream? I don't think so. I don't remember. I think you were here during my my Slime Rancher streams, I think. I think you were here during my Slime Rancher thing. That's 2 years ago. My Slime Rancher streams were 2 years ago, by the way. So yeah, node dot get parent dot player dot player. Would this work? I don't know if this will work or not. Chunk. That. Wait, I need to see a reference. Okay. Let me do this. Where is my cheese? There we go. Item. Node dot Huh. No, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. How am I gonna connect in Godot? Okay, I'm gonna use ChatGPT because ChatGPT is very helpful. How do I make a script from a different scene affect a node a scene from a different scene, a node from a different scene? Okay, how do I do this? The get node across screen. Get node. Use signals. How do I emit signal? Connect the signal in scene B in scene B's script. You can listen to the signal from scene A. Emit signal 42. Oh, okay. Emit signal heal. Okay, let me try this. Emit signal heal. Try this. Heal. Heal like 100 or something. Let's do heal. Player.connect script. Connect the scene. Scene A.connect. So this emits a signal. This emits a signal. Signal my signal value. Godot. Use signals to communicate between scenes. How do I... Okay, I need to use signals between scenes. This is what I need to figure out. Example use case. Signal bus. Because the thing is, these things, you have to connect. Using signals, you have to connect them. And that's the thing that I don't like. The fact that you have to fucking connect the scenes. Or whatever. The nodes if you want to use the signals. Like, if you need to connect the signals, why do you need signals in the first place? You can just, like... You can just... I don't know. This is where things get interesting. We can now easily toggle the settings menu. You know what? I'll figure out this next time. You know, I can figure this out next time, honestly. Let's try figuring this out next time. I've been streaming for 3 hours now. I'm pretty tired, so... Being tired and trying to game dev don't go together very well, you know? So, I think I might end it here, you know? I guess I made some decent progress. It's been, like... I guess, like, I wish I made more progress, you know? I struggled a lot. I wish I made more progress. But I still did make progress, you know? Like, I at least got the start of my inventory system working. Like, I at least got the start of it, you know? I at least got the start of it working. Why must you leave me? Well, to be fair, I can't be here forever, Goofy Puppy. I can't be here forever, but, you know, I'll be streaming again. Listen, I've been streaming, like, a lot. I've done lots of streams since you stopped watching me. So if you ever feel like watching me again, I would be streaming quite often. Well, I don't know. Sometimes I take breaks from streaming, so sometimes I won't be able to stream. But if you want to watch me, you'll probably be able to catch a stream if you want to watch me again. But thank you for joining, man. It's been a while. It's been a pleasure seeing you here again, man. I'm gonna forget, I'm telling you. Well, if you forget, that's on you, man. That's on you. If you forget, I didn't realize I was that forgettable, but yeah, if you do forget, that's also fine, you know. That's also fine, you know. Just hope you have a good day. Have a happy life or whatever, you know. Have a happy life. This is my game. You wouldn't believe that wait, let me check how many streams it took me to make this. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This took me 10 streams. This is around 30 hours. This is over 30 hours worth of effort, by the way. This is around 30 to 40 hours of game development time. And all I've made is this. In 30 to 40 hours, you would expect a bigger game and more stuff in it. But there's not a lot of stuff in here. The game's super empty. Like, you'd expect a game developer to be able to make more in 30 to 40 hours, but like all I have is land and trees and grass and a creature. Literally doesn't even do anything. I can just punch it to death. Like, fuck you, you little piece of horse thing. I don't even know what this is. I just don't think when I play Pizza Tower and forget stream, that's fine, man. If you're having fun, that's good, you know? It's good that you're having fun. Having fun is always good, you know? Always fun and having good and forget things in life, you know? Sometimes I do that too. If I'm stressed or something, I'll play video games to stop being stressed. It's pretty good. It's whatever, you know? It's whatever. As long as you're enjoying yourself, but I think I'm gonna end my stream here. It's been a 3-hour stream, so I am pretty exhausted, man. I am pretty exhausted. You gotta let me go eventually, man. You gotta let me go eventually. But yeah, thank you for joining, man. It's been a pleasure. I'm gonna end the stream here. Thank you for joining. I'm gonna end the stream. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Thank you, everyone who joined. Gonna press the end stream button now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. One thing I wanted to say, I checked my, stream list of videos. When I watched my older streams, I realized how shit my mic was. I was watching my older streams, I was like, what the fuck is this stream audio? What the hell? What the fuck is this stream audio? I think my stream audio has gotten a lot better now, but it used to be kind of ass. It still is kind of bad, but it wasn't nearly as bad as it was before. And with that message out of the way, I'm going to end the stream for real.